Answering football's 4 burning questions in 45 seconds or less. Let's go. Did England get lucky with their win over Haiti? I hate to be the one to say it, but the answer is yes. England had a penalty, and that penalty was allowed to be taken twice by Georgia Stanway, and Georgia Stanway managed to convert it in the second time. So I'm just thinking, if Georgia didn't get another opportunity to convert that penalty, I can't see where the goals would have come from. England did struggle a lot in front of goal, and Haiti, they managed to exploit them on the counter. If Haiti was that bit more clinical in front of goal, it might have been a different story. So I do expect Sarina Wiegman to come up for the rest of the tournament just fully guns blazing, because it's not looking good, bruv. What team has impressed the most during the Women's World Cup so far? It has to be Germany. There is no two ways about it. Germany have come in flying. And the funniest thing is, right, they were written off, well, not completely written off, but they were underrated because they just lost to Zambia in their friendly in the lead up to the World Cup. And losing to Zambia, who are newcomers to the World Cup, it kind of did put a taint on them. But me, I didn't stop believing. I didn't stop believing. They are a formidable team. And Alexandra Popp, she looks like she is going to be the difference. They are now the top goal scorers of the tournament so far with their 6-0 win against Morocco. And Morocco were AFCON finalists not too long ago. So, listen, Germany, keep doing your thing. Okay, so let's tweak the question a little bit. Who has been the most impressive underdogs of the tournament so far? Now, I would have gone with Haiti because their performance against England, I did not expect that at all. But unfortunately, they didn't get a result, so I have to go with Jamaica. Now, it's not like I didn't expect Jamaica to get a point from the tournament or to even bag a win from the tournament, but their performance against France was absolutely incredible. The only thing that kind of dimmed their light a little bit was their star player, Bunny Shaw, getting 2 yellow cards, getting a red card, meaning that she's going to miss the next game. And she's such an important player. She's so vital to that team. So I do wonder how it's going to pan out for them. But their performance against France, yeah, they've been my standout underdogs so far. Okay, this question's a little bit cheeky. Who would be in my England 11 for their game against Denmark? I'm not saying that Sarina Wiegman has made any mistakes or that her lineup against Haiti wasn't strong enough, but there are a couple of changes that I would make. Firstly, I would start Rachel Daly. Rachel Daly, WSL top goal scorer. I was actually shocked to see that she started on the bench. And when she came on against Haiti, them few minutes that she played, she made a difference. Like, she looked good, she looked fit, and she looked in form. But I can understand that it does take time for a front three to click properly. I would definitely start Lauren James as well. Lauren James, she's just probably one of my favourite players. So it just goes without saying that I would have started Lauren James. And formation-wise, I think the formation is perfect. Sarina Wiegman, she knows exactly what she's doing with her formations. I just would have started Lauren James, and I would have started Rachel Daly as well.